Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so let's get on. We're going to create a subroutine here. We're going to put two numbers. Okay, so this is the subroutine, two numbers. And we're going to create scalar variables for the input. So this is going to be my scalar entry 1 and scalar entry 2. Okay, and we're going to store this in a kind of temporary array here. Okay. Then we're going to return the entry 1 plus scalar entry 2. So we'll be adding them together. Okay, so now we're going to go on to print. Okay, enter number here, enter number 1, enter number 1. Okay, that's pretty straightforward there. Okay, so we're going to do the entry now. That's going to be equal to standard input. And then chomp scalar entry 1. Okay, and now we're going to do the entry 2. So we're going to enter the first number in, the second number in, and we're going to add them together, and then we're going to output a result. So the next one is print enter number 2. Okay, and that's going to be my scalar entry 2 equal to standard input. Okay, chomp. Whoops, in caps that, we don't want that. Chomp scalar entry 2. Okay, and now we're going to create another scalar variable. I'm going to call it, let's say, number result, which is going to be equal to the function up here, two numbers, and those two numbers are going to be scalar entry 1, whoops, entry 1 and scalar entry 2. Okay, and now all we're going to do is print it out. So print, and that's going to be scalar number result. Okay, right, so what we're going to do, we're just going to save this here. I'm going to run it. Okay, it seems to have got a little bit of a problem here. Let's just check this out. Okay, spotted the little problem here. This should be my entry 1. Okay, let's just try this. Let's run it. And there we go. So enter number 1. So I'm going to enter 5. Enter number 2. 5 again. And there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. It's added it. So what we can do is, if we want, let's do a minus here. So let's save that. Let's run it. Okay, let's put in 10 and 7. There you go, answer is 3. So I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you've not already subscribed, do it now. Hit the subscribe button and drop me a comment if you want to, just say hello or whatever, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.